Welcome to the Next.js Wonderverse. Hey there, code wizards! Ready to embark on an incredible journey through the magical land of Next.js? Buckle up for a wild ride through the land of Next.js. Imagine a place where your coding dreams come true, and every twist and turn brings new possibilities. We're diving deep into dynamic routing, the Beyoncé of web development. Just like Queen Bey, it's all about elegance and power. Why is it so fierce? Picture this. Building web pages that morph and adapt like a chameleon. Intrigued? Let's go! Imagine your site changing colors and shapes effortlessly. Static pages? So last season, who wants to be stuck in the past when you can be part of the future? Dynamic routing is where the real magic happens. It's like casting a spell that brings your web pages to life. It's like having a superpower that lets you create endless pages without breaking a sweat. Less code, more power. Imagine soaring through your projects with ease. Dynamic routing means your Next.js apps can handle anything. From complex user interfaces to simple blog posts, it's all within your grasp. User profiles, blog posts, you name it. The flexibility is endless, and the possibilities are limitless. Get ready to level up your web dev game and impress your crush. Show off your skills and make your projects shine. This is going to be epic. Join us in the Next.js Wonderverse and let's create something extraordinary together. Okay, imagine a URL as a treasure map. It guides you to the hidden gold, your website's content. Dynamic segments are like secret codes on that map. They unlock specific pages based on unique identifiers. Think of a blog post. You need a way to display each post without creating a million separate pages. That's where dynamic segments swoop in. They act as placeholders in the URL, like blog post title. Each time you click a new post, the dynamic segment changes, fetching the right content. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more JavaScript. Cool, right? Ready to get your hands dirty? First things first, let's set up your Next.js project. Think of it as building your very own coding dojo, but with fewer nunchucks and more lines of code. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Open your terminal and type in the magic words. This command is your trusty sidekick, creating a fresh Next.js project faster than you can say JavaScript framework. Choose your weapons wisely. Select options like TypeScript or Tailwind CSS to customize your project. Now you're ready to conquer the world of dynamic routing. Game on! Section 4. Navigating the labyrinth, file-based routing. In this section we'll explore how Next.js simplifies routing with its file-based system, making it as easy as following a map. Next.js uses a super intuitive file-based routing system. This means you don't have to worry about complex configurations or endless lines of code just to set up your routes. It's like organizing your sock drawer, but for code. Everything has its place, and you can find what you need quickly and easily. Each file in your app directory represents a route on your website. Neat, huh? This means that the structure of your files directly influences the structure of your website. Imagine your app directory as your website's homepage. It's the central hub where everything begins. Create subdirectories for different sections like blog or about. This way you can keep related content together, making it easier to manage and navigate. Each subdirectory can hold more files, creating a beautifully organized structure. This hierarchical setup ensures that your project remains clean and efficient. Inside each directory you'll have a page.js file. This file is crucial as it defines what users will see when they visit that route. This is where the magic happens. The page.js file is like a spellbook, controlling the content and layout of your pages. It controls what content is displayed on that specific route. Whether it's text, images, or interactive elements, it all starts here. See? File-based routing is your new BFF. It's reliable, easy to use, and keeps your project organized and efficient. Section 5. Unleashing the power dynamic routes in action. This is where the magic happens and we take our routing skills to the next level. Now for the grand finale, creating dynamic routes. Remember our blog post title example? It's time to bring it to life and see it in action. In your blog directory, create a new folder named slug. This folder will act as a template for each blog post you create. Yes, with the square brackets. These brackets are crucial as they signify a dynamic segment in your route. Inside slug, create a page.js file. This file will serve as the blueprint for rendering each blog post. This is where you'll fetch the content for each individual blog post based on the slug dynamic segment. The slug will determine which data to pull and display. Next.js makes this super easy with its built-in data fetching methods. You can use getStaticProps or getServerSideProps to fetch your data. And voila! You've just created a dynamic route that can handle an infinite number of blog posts. Each post will be rendered based on its unique slug. Give yourself a pat on the back, you dynamic routing superstar. You've mastered one of the most powerful features of Next.js. Okay, that's a wrap. We've explored the wonders of dynamic routing in Next.js, from URL structures to file-based routing. Remember, Gen Z, you have the power to create amazing dynamic web experiences. So go forth, code like a boss, and make the internet a more awesome place. Peace out!